After breaking down on the Alaska Highway and getting stuck in Canada for a whole month, we were finally back on the road, trying to drive from Grand Prairie, Alberta to San Francisco in 4 days. Our aggressive timeline to get back was due to us being invited to a wedding back home in California. We had originally given ourselves over a month to do this drive, to head back slowly and explore Canada, but that didn't end up happening. So now we needed to get to our destination as soon as possible. Oh yeah, we had to do it to him one more time, you know? We simply had to. Today is day 2 of driving back to California from Alberta. Last night we made it through Jasper pretty much, out onto the other side, but we stopped kind of right before we left that area and just stayed at a rest stop. And now we are heading further south. I think we're gonna make it probably really close to the Washington border today and then stay for the night and cross in the morning. So we're gonna probably drive like 7 or so hours today.
Yeah, 7 sounds good. Well, we kind of broke down the mileage, and if we go around 261 miles per day, we'll reach our destination in like 4 days.
And that gives us like 2 days before the wedding, which is really nice because then we can have a little bit of time at least to do a few things. We need to drop the scamp off at my aunt's house. Then we need to go to Scobie's house to drop Marjorie off because her grandparents are going to watch her while we're at this wedding. And we need to pick up Scobie's suit that he rented.
Well, I hope it fits.
And I rented 2 dresses, just something I've never done before, but I live in a trailer, so I had to rent something. My only other problem is that I don't have shoes. I don't have a purse either. I don't know what I'm going to do. This guy's going to look cute in his tux.
Hope so.
Never seen him in a tux before. I've probably even seen him in
up.
a button-up shirt. Neither one of us is fancy people.
We live in a trailer.
Hi. And then, after 4 days of driving, we finally made it back to our home state. But now that we were back, there was still one final obstacle for us to overcome. WD-40.
Yeah.
Did you sleep well in this parking lot last night?
Yeah, I did. I wasn't worried about anything. What about you?
Yeah, it was chill. I got a little nervous at first, but then it was fine.
I got a little worried earlier when we first arrived and the sheriff pulled up, but they didn't say anything to us. Uh-huh.
You can do it.
Okay, I can do it. I can do it.
You nervous?
I'm a little nervous. I know, that's why it's got me practicing right now.
You gonna practice again?
One more time. Then... Okay. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good. I can do it.
We never doubted you.
May take me 2-3 times,
That's fine. All that matters is that we get into the spot safely. It doesn't matter if it takes a long time or anything.
Or
Right?
if people are watching.
Yeah, who cares? Give them a show.
Oh
man, I am so scared right now. So how many times have we parked in this spot and messed up the trailer?
Yeah, one time I messed up the window. The second time...
we broke the branches of my aunt's tree.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
And then another time, I think... I kind of damaged the car harness for the electrical unit.
Yeah.
Remember, they kind of like smacked into each other?
Uh-huh.
So three...
and there was the time the trailer almost rolled down the hill.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man.
As you can tell, we're professionals. No, but each one of those times was accompanied by the night. And...
that's true. We specifically waited to do this in the daytime.
we could have arrived here last night, but we decided to wait out in the morning.
Yeah, we slept in a park last night to avoid having to do this at night, because every time we've done it at night, it's gone badly. Here's the spot. It's got to go between the tree and the fence.
Okay, I could do this.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Pull up.
Would you like me to get out?
You're okay.
Oh man, he's doing it. We got a new approach.
I think I'm too...
What are you two?
I was gonna be off the curb if I did it like that.
Do your thing, King.
I need to start turning earlier.
Okay. You got this. Ooh, that's looking good. Oh, Scobie, you're killing it. Are you kidding me? Are you sure you don't want me to get out, babe?
Yeah, get out, my love.
Okay,
And
just
let
to
me
make
know.
sure that you don't bump it or anything. You just need to get closer to the fence.
You think I'm fine if I just keep backing up?
You need to turn more. No, we're gonna bottom out. You need to be closer.
I need to turn sooner.
Pull up and get closer to the fence.
Closer to the fence.
Yeah. Turn harder, Scobe. Turn. Keep turning, darling. Oh, hell yeah, he's doing it. You're doing it! Okay, keep going. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah! Look at that shit.
He did it.
No casualties. No crying.
No one cried.
Barely any stress. I had a civilian from Salvation Army cheering me on.
A civilian?
So I could do...
Who do you think you are? Now that you parked the trailer?
Now
you
that I
think
parked
you're like
the
a
trailer.
lieutenant or something?
Yeah.
For the next few weeks, we settled back into being home. It's been so long, huh?
Yeah, that's been...
Wait.
Gotta work for it.
Then we got some news about the scamp. Someone had broken in, so I drove up to secure the window and add a new lock until I could come back and start doing some repairs. Luckily, the scamp was pretty much empty, so we didn't lose anything too valuable.
The light's still going off?
Yeah. Get some onion rings, actually.
Do you have anything you want to show anyone? Anything new?
Yeah, I just shaved.
Oh my god.
It's such a nice day today. I love those sunshine days after a night of rain. I don't know, it just makes the whole ambiance feel so sweet. I wanna barge outside in the rain.
We're going to get a tree for Scobie's parents.
Well, first we're going to the farmer's market.
Oh yeah, I think we're gonna go to the farmer's market too, because it closes in like 2 hours, so.
No, they don't give it to you. It's like they charge $10 for your time.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
$50 on it.
Do you have that? Do you want to do that? Yeah. Okay, sorry. I just...
So we got slow songs. Jim and Ollie, Engelbert from the Heart, and Merry Christmas. I kind of want to put on this one, because this one looks like
Yeah, do it.
one someone made, maybe.
Cool. Did we pick the right tape?
Hell yeah, we did. Oh wait.
What do you think? I think it looks good. Will you spin it?
Yeah, let's spin it.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I like this a lot. This is cute. Nice little resting spot for the angel. How's this one look?
Just kind of shoved it in the car.
Oh yeah, way easier than strapping it to the top.
Yeah.
After finding the perfect tree, we decided to take the long way home.